everyone, I am Rochelle and I would like to welcome you all here in Maruyama Park in Kyoto, Japan. And I will be your tour guide that will accompany you throughout the tour. Maruyama Park is a park in Kyoto, Japan. It is noted as the main center of cherry blossom viewing in Kyoto and can get extremely crowded at the time of year. It is very popular in April when the cherry trees are in full bloom. To enter the park, there is nothing to worry about because the admission is free and you may take a picture. You will be amazed and enjoy the tour here in Maruyama Park. Maruyama Park is located in center of Higashiyama area. Yasaka Shrine neighbors to the west and Chiyon-in Temple neighbors to the north. Right now, let's enter and explore the park, and in front of you is the main entrance of the park. Take a good look at Maruyama Park's majestic weeping cherry tree in Jeon Shidar Sakura. It is Kyoto's most popular spot for cherry blossom viewing parties. University students and other groups hold lively picnic parties under the trees that often last until the early morning hours. Behind the park are gently hills and ponds and streams that are set up in the site, so it looks like a Japanese garden. In the distance, there are some cafes and restaurants. As you can see, various flowers and trees are in this park. The original weeping cherry tree was about 200 years old, and if you look up, you will notice the park is famous for its large cherry tree, which is lit up at night during the cherry blossom season. There are many vendors in the park creating a nice festive atmosphere, and you may also notice that there are often performers that do magic tricks here. It's fun to watch if you have the time. Maruyama Park can be reached by bus from Kyoto Station in about 20 minutes, and you may take a bus with route number 206 and then walk for about 5 minutes. That would be the last part of our tour, and I hope you enjoyed exploring the unique and fascinating park. I hope to see you visiting this Maruyama Park, and you may also visit other tourist attractions here in Kyoto. So explore and enjoy more here in Kyoto, Japan, and thank you and God bless you all.